Hello everyone, this is Shelly, and in today's video I will be sharing some of the acne spot creams that I have used so far. And like I always say that I prefer the acne spot cream over the full face acne treatment product, because most of the time the acne treatment products are a bit drying on my skin and sometimes they do irritate my skin. So I just want to put out there, I have very dry, very sensitive and acne prone skin. So if you are somebody who deals with the sensitivity, spot creams are something that you should be checking out. And all the spot creams that I'm going to review are suitable for all skin types out there, like including combination, dry, oily, sensitive, like whatever your skin type is. The spot creams can be used by everyone out there depending on the kind of acne you're trying to treat. And I will be reviewing all these spot creams in no particular order, and as I mention them I will talk about them in detail, and towards the end I will share my top 4 acne spot cream. So at first I have the Skin Miso Spot Repairing Serum. This has a viscous but runny gel-like texture, and in my experience I was not at all impressed by this product. Like yes, it definitely calmed down the redness around the acne, but it really didn't work in fading the acne scar or calming down the acne. So this was kind of a fail for me. And the next product is the Clavio Green Pulsation Tea Tree Care Spot Corrector, and this has a very viscous sticky gel like texture, and it completely makes sense because when you apply a spot cream on your acne, you don't want the solution to drip down your face, so that's a good thing. And you need to use it at the last step of your skincare routine on the acne or the rising pimple, and this is supposed to bring down the redness, inflammation, and also calm down the acne. And in my experience I was not impressed by this. Like it definitely worked on small zit or small pimple that we get, and it definitely reduced the redness and everything, but it didn't work on serious acne like medium or big size. And also, like, I had some higher expectation from this because of the amazing ingredients it has. And secondly, like for the 5 ml quantity I did pay quite a bit of a price, but it does have very interesting packaging. Like it literally works like a syringe. Like when you open the cap from here and you just need to press down this nozzle and the product comes out from this end. So it literally works like a syringe. So the packaging is interesting, the texture is good, ingredient is good, but the product really didn't work. And next I have the Innisfree Bija Trouble Spot Essence, and this has a muddy brown gel cream like texture. And I actually discovered this product through a sample. Like back in 2017 I got a 7 ml quantity of this with my Innisfree purchase, and I loved the product because at that time not many spot creams were available. Now we have many options. So at that time, like in 2017 and even till 2018, this was definitely one of my favorite spot cream. Like it works amazingly on your small to medium size pimple. It calms down the acne. It also reduces the redness, and if you have a cluster of small zit at some part of your face, apply a thin layer of this at the last step of your skincare routine, and by next morning all the redness, the irritation, all those tiny little pimples, they all calm down. Next I have the Jumiso ACQ Spot Cream, and this has a runny lotion like texture with some kind of grittiness to it, and it contains ingredient to target 2 skin concern. Like it contains niacinamide, licorice, and vitamin C salt to treat the redness and prevent the severe acne scar formation. And it also contains centella, tea tree oil, and chamomile extract, sulfur, and salicylic acid to calm down your acne. And to make sure that all these amazing ingredients work faster and more effectively, this cream contains a phytosilica carriers which delivers all these ingredients to the deeper level of your acne, and therefore you see faster result. And also, like this phytosilica is the thing which gives the grittiness to this cream, and the reason why this cream stings when you apply on your skin. And you need to use this only at night, at the last step of your skincare routine, when you're sure that you're not going to use anything else on your face. So when you apply it on your acne, make sure that you're massaging it for 40 seconds, and then also make sure that you're rinsing your hands really well. And I really like this product. I must say that this is the most potent acne spot treatment that I have used till date, and it works amazingly on my papules and small size cystic acne, which I often get during the change of season. I see results sometime in 2 nights of usage, and for the most stubborn one, I sometimes have to use even for a week, but I definitely see result. Like, I do have 2 little concern with this, and number one, like the redness which I get from this, it doesn't go even till next morning, and also like the stinging sensation, I feel that even till next 2 days. So this is why I don't prefer to use this on a regular basis. Save it only for the worst kind of acne. Other than that, like these 2 things, I love this product, and let me know if you experience the similar thing. And also the Jumiso has upgraded this formulation, and according to them, the new version which comes in red packaging, something like this, it's way more potent than this. So let's see, like I will try to get my hands on it as soon as possible, and will definitely update you all in the coming videos. And since I cannot use the Jumiso AC spot cream on a regular basis for my on and off acne, for small to medium sized acne, I prefer to use the Bivistrin Sulfur 3% clean gel. And this has a soft yellow cloudy lotion like texture, and it contains 3% of colloidal sulfur. And before I talk about this product, I want you to like know what sulfur exactly does for your skin. Like sulfur, it helps in calming down the acne, it also reduces the redness, it also reduces the excessive sebum formation in your skin, and it does have this subtle brightness effect. And also I want you to know that sulfur by nature has skin peeling and exfoliation property. Like the exfoliation is not as intensive as that of AHA1, but it does have exfoliation. Now for the usage of this particular cream, again you can use it in 2 different ways. Like you can use it as a concentrated form on your acne alone, or you can apply a thin layer on spot where you see you have clusters of whitehead or small zit. So on that particular area, apply a thin layer, leave it overnight, and next day you will definitely see that the irritation, the zit, the all pimple and everything has calmed down. And I personally love this particular spot cream because it literally works for all kind of acne that I get on my face. And for like small acne, like small zit or small acne, it dries it down, and that acne just withers away without leaving any acne scar. And for my medium to big size pimple, it works in 2 ways. Like if I see that there is some knot beneath the skin, and when I apply this on that particular spot, it either brings up the sebum or the gunk on the surface, and when I see that everything has surfaced up, I put on the pimple patches and then follow up my usual thing. Or sometimes what it does, it dries down all the gunk from the inside itself, and after few usage I see that there is no knot beneath the skin. It's all flat and there is no pain or anything. It's all completely gone. And after seeing this video, I'm pretty much sure that I'm going to get a comment asking like from Bivistrin and Jumiso one, which one do I prefer? To be honest, I prefer both, and for very different concern. Like I said, for the most stubborn one, I prefer to use the Jumiso one, and for my small and medium size acne, I prefer to use the Bivistrin one. So yeah, I hope this helps. And the next product is the Cosrx Centella Blemish Cream, and it mainly contains centella, zinc and tea tree oil to calm down your acne and to treat the redness on your skin. And I have been using this on and off since 2017, and this is one of my favorite products from Cosrx. And I like to use it on days when I see that I have had some sort of reaction from a product, or I get some small tiny zit on face due to irritation, or I don't know, my skin has some bad mood that day. So on those days I like to use this at the last step of my skincare routine as a spot cream. Like, I'm stressing on this fact because I have seen some bloggers out there saying that they have been using this as a full face cream and then they complain that it doesn't blend well, it makes them look like a ghost. And if you want to use it all over face as a skin calming treatment, mix some portion of this to your moisturizer, say in 1:1 ratio, and then use it full face. And the next two products that I'm going to share are not exactly your acne treatment product, but they are to be used after you have extracted acne to heal that spot. Like, if you are using a pimple patch, you know that sometimes the pimple patch have a tendency to leave a dent at that spot, or some of us do get redness, and that particular spot, like sometimes especially on sensitive skin, takes so much of time to heal and can even leave some acne scar formation as well. So for on those spots, I am going to share two spot creams. So the first one is the Bivistrin Teca 1% barrier cream. It basically contains centella to calm down your skin and to help in faster recovery of that acne spot. So you use it after you have extracted a pimple, and in my experience, I definitely liked this product. It definitely reduced the redness. It definitely helped in faster healing of that spot, and more than that, I really enjoyed it as a face moisturizer. Like, it had this really thick balm like texture, and so especially for winter, I really liked this product because it helped in healing of that dry patches. And if I used it after acid treatment, it worked amazingly in calming down my skin. So, but the bad thing is, this product I think is discontinued by the brand, and I hope they relaunch it as intensive moisturizer for sensitive skin, because I really liked it as a moisturizer. I don't know why they have discontinued it. And the next product is the Troy Aroke Accent Recovery Cream. And the people who have been following me from years, I'm sure you people are fed up of me talking about this product. But seriously, like, I love this product so much. I cannot imagine my skincare routine without this. I love it because whenever I use it after extracting my pimple, it helps in faster recovery of that spot. It prevents the severe acne scar formation, and if I get all those red acne scar, the PI, it also helps in treating those kind of acne scar. And also you can use it in 3 different ways. Like, since it has a lotion like consistency, you can use it all over face as your lightweight moisturizer, and also you can use it as a serum step on the affected area. And also, of course, you can use it as an intensive spot cream at the last step of your skincare routine. And I'm sure that some of you out there must be thinking that, Shelly, couldn't you find anything better or alternative to this? Like, I must say that I am looking around for an alternative, because this is very costly, and plus it is not easily available. Like, even I want to save my money, okay, but I really couldn't find anything better, and I always end up buying this. And like, back in 2018, like, not many brand had centella based product. Not many brand used to have spot treatments, and this is the OG. Like, it contains like, at least from what I know, it contains 100% Centella asiatica extract. Like, I don't know how this makes sense. Like, if you are into chemistry and you know anything around this, please let me know in the comment section below, like, how is this possible and how this works. So it contains 100% Centella asiatica extract. It also contains 3 different bioactive derivatives. It contains salicylic acid, glycolic acid, and some other botanical extract to calm down your skin and to heal your skin. So according to the brand, all this adds up to the manufacturing cost and everything. So this is why this product is costly. So yeah, I will still like look around for an alternative. Like I said, even I want to save my money. So yeah, if I do, I will definitely let you all know, but meantime, this is my favorite product. So as promised in the beginning of the video, now I will be sharing my 4 must-have acne spot creams. Like, all these 4 are equally important to me. I need them for my different skin concern, and I will be mentioning them in no particular order. And the first one is the Cosrx Centella Blemish Cream. Like I said, I do test out a lot of products, and sometimes the product do react on my skin, or on few days I just have bad skin days or extremely sensitive skin days. So at that time, this Centella blemish cream is the savior. And for my worst kind of acne, something like cystic acne or the papules one, I really like to use the Jumiso AC Cure spot cream. And for small to medium size acne or for on and off acne which I get for no reason, I like to use the Biovistrance Sulfur 3% clean gel. And finally, for my post acne treatment, I really like to use the Troy Aruke Accent Recovery Cream. So these four are my must-have acne spot treatment. So that's all for this video, and I hope you found the content of this video useful and discovered some option to treat your acne. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and do turn on the notification bell icon so that whenever the video goes up, you will get notified. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.